If you are searching for an internship with a recognized organization, then you are at the right place. In today's video, I am going to tell you about Tesla Internship Program 2021. So keep watching the video till the end. Tesla offers internship scheme for students and is inviting applications for international internship opportunity. The renowned multinational Tesla offers international internship programs to students throughout the year. The Tesla Internship Programs 2021 give the students the opportunity to work with the best minds in the world while completing their tenure at Tesla. In the highly paid Tesla Internship Program 2021, the interns are hired regardless of their nationality, gender, race, religion, age, or background. The interns are selected on the basis of their talent on equal grounds. Tesla's culture and work environment are fast paced and tilt towards innovation. So, the students who get this Tesla internship opportunity will have the chance to polish their leadership skills by overcoming the challenges. Through this paid international opportunity, the students will learn a lot through daily ongoing job training by daily performance evaluation. Furthermore, Tesla Internship for International Students has a lot of internship positions, so students can apply to any program offered by Tesla in accordance with their expertise and specialization. The best part of this paid internship program is that the students can apply in more than one internship opportunity at a time. This Tesla Internship Program 2021 has also long term benefits as well. The Tesla interns have high chances to get hired on full time jobs if their performance remains extraordinary in the program. Let's see the details of Tesla Internship Program 2021. The Tesla Internship Program 2021 is hosted by Tesla, the company owned by Elon Musk. Tesla internships locations: US, Canada, Europe, and parts of Asia. Duration of Tesla internship program 3 to 12 months. Benefits of the Tesla Internship Program 2021. All interns will be given a monthly stipend by the company. It is estimated that the stipend per month may be between 3 to 4 lakhs Indian money. House accommodation will be provided to the interns. In case of travel for the purpose of the company's given task, the company will bear all the travel cost. Eligibility criteria of the Tesla Internship Program 2021. Individuals from any region or individuals from all around the world can apply. In the case of students, they must be enrolled in an undergraduate or master's program or must be pursuing advanced studies. Non students can also apply but for full time positions. How to apply for the Tesla Internship Program 2021? You can submit the details by filling the Tesla Internship application form that is given on the official website of Tesla company. Application deadline. The application remains open throughout the year. The applicant needs to follow the website in order to get into the desired internship opportunity. Applicants can apply whenever there are any available internship positions in Tesla. The major advantage of this internship is company has a complete list of non-technical roles also. That means if you don't have any technical skills, you can still apply. So that was the end of this video. If you got some valuable information, then please do like this video and subscribe to my channel Jobs Connection.